So today we're going to make a snow globe. And we're going to make it for a stranger. So let's take a look. So we've got our clean glass. This is actually a pesto glass. And lid. As you see, I've just roughed up the inside surface of the lid there so that the glue has got something to adhere to. And then I've got 3 clear Lego bricks. Glued that on. And I'm going to glue some of these nice colourful balls on just so it makes it look a bit prettier. And then after a bit of time trying to get it right, I filled in the gaps. I didn't put any glue on the inside of the rim there, so that when I screw it back onto the glass, it's going to be leak-free. Then I'll make everything permanent, gluing all these Lego bricks on. And then I'm going to glue my man on. And here's a Yeti eating an ice lolly. So we're going to put some deionized water into our glass, and you use deionized water because it doesn't discolour over time. Putting a few glittery bits and pieces in there. Now we've got these small pom-poms, and I've put them in a separate glass of water. And I'm just going to squash them together. They tend to float on the top if you don't. So I'm going to squash them together to get the water all the way through them. Then they should be fine to go in. So put a few teaspoons of those in. And now vegetable glycerine, and we add that because it slows everything down inside, stops everything rising so quickly. Top it up with the last bit of deionized water. Then put our man in and screw the lid on really tight. Now at this point, if you wanted, you could glue gun all the way around the edge of that. And there it is, mess everywhere. But he looks really cool. Now in our village, we've got a lovely lady, or I assume it's a lady, I don't know. But she always leaves things around this tree for Easter and at Christmas and Halloween. So I thought I'd repay the favour, and hopefully she may come and find this. And I hope she enjoys it.